you know? Malacca Historical City located in Malaysia, which holds thousands of ancient things and leaving a lot of histories. Melaka River Cruise is one of many tourist attractions in Malacca, and the boats are decorated with lights. The management provides many boats and each boat is equipped with decoration lights. These lights on boat conventionally operated using petrol, thus caused air, noise and water pollution. Malacca targets 1.1 million tourists to Malacca by 2022, and 500,000 tourists to Melaka River Cruise. This means, up to 25,000 river cruise trip projected this year, which can be converted into 2,395,406 liters petrol, used along Malacca River. By looking at these numbers, what do you think will happen to our air quality, water, river, wastewater, and sanitation from the petrol used by the services, by the release of 5,749 tons of carbon dioxide emissions per year to our beautiful environment? And can we able to plant 958 new trees every year to absorb those carbon dioxide emissions, just for this kind of purposes? For sure. It trigger these Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), which are currently been worked on, not only in Malaysia but across the globe. Thus, this invention propose solutions to this category, which is protection of the environment, energy, water, wastewater, sanitation and green technology. By embracing the new norm of renewable solar technology, and moving to new frontiers for river cruise-based tourism industry advancement in the world.
So now, what are the way to solve these issues? The solar PV technology was adopted to this river cruise innovation. By applying the off-grid photovoltaic OGPV system design. The OGPV system design started with the load and energy determination, which are 150 horsepower engine, front and back lights, downlights, and decoration lights surrounds the top edge of the boat's roof. Second, the unit and size of the photovoltaic PV module need to be determined. Third, the unit and size of the battery need to be determined. Last, the unit and size of the charge controller need to be determined. These equations along the 4 steps can be applied as the guideline to successfully obtain the OGPV system design for river cruise application. Based on the OGPV system design previously, these are other electrical tools required for this innovation. That includes clamp meter, sun irradiation thermometer, temperature meter, and digital PV radiometer. These electrical tools becomes the initial cost of the project, besides transportation and installations fee. These initial cost only being charged one time, which happened during the first year of the project, and will be included later on, at the end of the projected 25 years. The life cycle cost of this project presented as below, where cost every year includes maintenance, repair, and manpower as the river cruise driver. The every year cost must be taken into account, for each year, for a period of 25 years. The life cycle cost of this subject becomes the guidelines for projection of the payback period. The life cycle cost of both, previously petrol-based, and currently, solar-based river cruise, were plotted on the y-axis, over the 25 years. Based on the graph, it is noticeable the initial cost for solar-based river cruise were 2.5 times higher, compared to petrol-based river cruise. However, on the second year, cost of the petrol-based river cruise were 2 times higher, compare with cost of the year of solar-based river cruise. And, This rate are static from year 2, until year 24. Solar-based river cruise, gain the payback period, on May of the third year of the investment. And this projected to save up until 57 used a cost, per year, per boat. Can you imagine how many profit can we attract using this solar-based river cruise? And most importantly, how many ton of carbon dioxide emissions can be reduced?
This solar-based river cruise project were presented by our student for his final year project in University Technical Malaysia Malacca. The photovoltaic PV module were installed on top of the boat's roof in order to receive maximum sun irradiation for the electricity conversion. The electricity is then charging the 12-volt battery viaduct charger controller and solar cable. When the battery is fully charged, then it will lights up the decoration lights on river cruise boat during the night.
I'm presenting, to you, our success stories, for this product innovation, where several gold medals awards were brought home, proudly. This solar-based river cruise project also joined several CSR programs or knowledge transfer to the community. Solar-based river cruise project received good supports from the industrial networks, which together, we supports the SDG goals. The business plan has ready to deal with the target market segment, while potential business partner is identified, accordingly. As the future solution for the river cruise cost reduction product, the solar-based river cruise comes to the market at the right time to serve the consumers, while giving future benefits to the nations and society satisfaction.